Well, can you see fireworks from prison? I hope so for Steve Bannon's sake. He's locked up all summer and man, that's a bummer. The judge wouldn't give him a break. He won't get to grill any weenies, but he'll see lots of them in the shoe that he'll get undressed with. Don't think he'll be messed with. Even convicts have their standards too. He'll probably slim down for the summer on a diet of coffee and toast. He defied that subpoena for some rice and red beanas, summer reruns for the podcast he hosts. No, he won't get to go trick-or-treating, but he already looks like a ghoul. And then it's on to the election or the next insurrection and scamming more suckers and fools. So can you see fireworks from prison? I hope so for Steve Bannon's sake. He's locked up all summer and man, that's a bummer. I sure hope he doesn't escape.